A massive protest march organized by the 30th Jolaibari Mandal unit of the BJP energized Jolaibari Bazaar on Wednesday. The event was headlined by Sushanta Dev, the Yuva Morcha's president and MLA of Bishalgarh Assembly constituency. The march was attended by several prominent figures, including Mandal President Sujit Dutta, Jolaibari BJP Yuva Morcha President Keshav Chowdhury and others. The main speaker at today's protest march was the Yuva Morcha State President and MLA of Bishalgarh Assembly constituency Sushanta Dev. After the protest march, everyone gathered for a public meeting in the market where the speakers discussed how the opposition is conspiring to tarnish the state government and trying to come to power through the back door. A special appeal was made for everyone to unite and work in favor of the people-friendly government to thwart the opposition's conspiracies in the upcoming assembly elections and ADC elections.
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Jolaibari! Vande Mataram! Bolo bolo Bharat Mata ki! Bolo Bharat Mata দিচ্ছি না এই বিক্ষোভে দাও 10% টাকা সৃষ্টি করকে মনে ক্ষমতা আসতে দিচ্ছি না Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! বলো বলো Vande Mataram!
Alongside the main speaker, present at today's protest march were 30th Jolaibari BJP's Mandal President Sujit Dutta, State BJP Yuva Morcha leader Jolaibari Jolaibari BJP Yuva Morcha's Mandal President Keshav Chowdhury, Jolaibari Block Panchayat Samiti Chairman Tapas Datta, youth leaders Sudip Gop and others. Reported by Bikram from Santi Bazaar, Chini Khorang.